Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Sa tanan na mga Bisaya. Ay, OOTD of the day. Malamig po. Time check is about 16 degrees. Basta pa. Oh, 15 degrees pala. Oh. Time check 4:08. And today is Thursday, 24th of July. So, ayun everyone. Nakalimutan kong maglagay ng oil sa aking tuhod. Medyo nakalimutan ko magmasahe, kagabi. Kasi antok na. So, that's it at the moment. Let's go for a 15 minutes walk and one bus, everyone, before I reach the workplace. So, ayan lang everyone. See you later. See you when I see you everyone. Good morning everyone. Kain tayo. Breakfast dito sa before we start to work. Kailangan kain muna kasi mayroon pa kami 35 minutes.
Algumas o hay videofotos o hay como hacen experimentos. Yes.
The moment we are here for a meeting or seminar, Okay, everyone. In 2 minutes or 1 minute, the bus is coming. That's good. 70. Ah, that is not. That is tourist bus. Wow. Hold on. Ahora sí. Ahora sí, ya. One second, yes, everyone. Diversion everyone, no? 302 tsaka 52. Dito dumadaan. So, paano nang bukas kayo? So, yun lang. Pauwi na ako. Biglang lumamig ang panahon. Nagdaan lang ako ng 20 degrees naman. Biglang lumamig yung panahon. Ayan tuloy. Nagmamadali ako pag-uwi. So, it's already 10:10. Maluluto pa ako ng pang dinner and lunch at the same time. namin nilalanay. So, dumaan lang ako sa Sainsbury's malaki to buy pork and salmon. Ay, hindi. Mackerel. That's it, everyone. Tingnan natin kung ano yung aking lutuin mamaya. Fried meatballs. And this one. And this one. Ang dami ko niluluto ngayon, oh. Grabe, diba? And this one. And this one. Ayan ang nabuo sa pinamalengke ko, everyone. Yummy, super, as in. Ayan. Time check. 3. Anong oras? 3:20. Everyone, no? Kaya pala kanina, ginilaw ako. Doon pala. Nakabukas yung isang bintana. So, yun pala, eto na, umuulan na. So, kailangan natin pumasok. Kahit umuulan na, everyone. Ganito. Eto, matagal tong titigil kasi pino. So, ayan o. Flooded area rin dito. Ay. Ayan lang, everyone. See you later at naulan. See you at my workplace. Everyone. Bye, bye, bye.
Station.
This station is Winston Green.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. 106.
Afternoon,
Say
everyone.
it, simply.
16. Oh, napa-early ako dito. Alas 4. So, early ako today. Even though it's raining, early pa rin. So, let's go to Way Out. It's Way Out. Let's keep go up. Let's go up, up, up. Habang pinto kasi na dito. Kain tayo ng munggo. Kahit hindi Biyernes, everyone. While watching Tanggol. Napakayamin itong aking munggo na to. Good night, God bless, and I love you all. Sarap, grabe. With matching green lemon green tea.